if it wants to load. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, let's just get right into it. I just checked the mail today, and guess what just came? BoxyCharm by Ipsy finally came in for the month of November. Disclaimer, if you hear any background noise, it's my child. And yeah. If you don't know, this cost me $28 and some change, I think. Plus shipping and handling, so it came out to $30 and some change. And yeah, but I do know that they're changing the price of this. This will be $30 starting in December. And you do get 5 full-size items. 2 of them are your power choice picks for you based off your profile. And then the other 3 are going to be your choice. Yeah, and then you can also you got options to put on add-ons, but those are obvious. The add-ons are the stuff that you have to pay for separately, but it all comes into this box if you get add-ons. I had already opened it because I'm not going to be struggling on camera. But let's get into it. Sneak peek. Sneak peek. Ooh! It always comes with a pamphlet. Don't know. Yeah, it just always comes with a pamphlet. And yeah. So the first item we see is going to be this. And this anyways, this is going to be the Almar Cosmetic Destino eyeshadow palette, and this, if it wants to load, I finally got it open because you know your girl is slow. And yeah, my iPad is actually dead, so I can't give y'all the prices, but I will insert it on the video like I normally do. So we're opening it. I gotta open it upside down. Anyways, this is the eyeshadow palette, and this is what it looks like on the inside. I just stabbed my freaking fingernail in that, but this is the eyeshadow palette, and this is what it looks like. It got some pretty shadows. So the next item we see is going to be this. We're gonna grab this. And this is, I believe, a cleanser. It is from Kapari. It's a marine clean purifying gel cleanser. It has algae extracts and amino acids and vitamin B5. It's a skin balancing and purifying gel to foam cleanser. And this is what it looks like. The next item that we see in this box is going to be this one, and this is the Hydra Blue Petal Serum Toner. Struggling. The struggle when you have acrylic nails is ridiculous. Finally got it open. Ooh, this is cute. This is a cute. Look at this. But we're gonna try this one because yeah, why not? We love new products. Anyways, the next item that I got in this box is going to be this. It is the Wonder Beauty Glow. This is the packaging, and The shade of this is called After Hours by Wonder Beauty. This is it. I just did a swatch, and this is what it looks like for with one swipe. This is what it looks like with 2 swipes. Yes, item that I got in this box is gonna be this Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in the shade Soft Brown. Packaging, and this is what it looks like. Oh, this is nice. Look at this packaging. It's like a tin foil packaging. Not tin foil, metal packaging. And this is what it looks like. And this is the color that it looks like. Yeah. I'm not a lipstick girly, but we finna try this later on. I'm here, and these are gonna be the add-ons that I purchased with this box. This is Lip Nourishment tint. The color that it is. The next one I got that I purchased as an add-on is going to be this lip gloss from Most Wanted. So this is a gloss, and we are gonna open it. That is the shade that it is. The actual shade name is Priority. Yeah. Make me a priority, sis, because if you're not, then you gotta go. You got to go. That was everything in my box. If you like this video, be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe down below. And if you want to make sure you don't miss my next video that I drop, hit that bell. Thank you. And stay tuned for the next video. 'Cause I don't want this simple life.